This is Butcher Row House Museum in the beautiful historical market town of Ledbury in Herefordshire. It's a remarkable building, not only because it's been moved twice, but because it's also home to an incredible collection of instruments. One of these is the John Egan Royal Portable Harp, a rather rare harp that I think I've only seen once before. Now, on the inside of the pillar are these little white levers made of ivory called ditals. Now, there's 7 of these, one for each note of the scale, and by engaging these, you twist the fork mechanism called fourchettes, and they change the key of the note by sharpening or flattening them. It's a really remarkable mechanism that you only really see today in the big orchestral harps, so miniaturising this is a real feat of engineering, making it one of the most extraordinary harps I've ever seen. At the base of the harp there's also an extendable leg that goes down, allowing you not only to be able to support the harp on your knees, but also to be able to stand and play it or sit and play it more comfortably. All in all, it's a really clever bit of design and so beautifully made.